Hi there! Are you tired of scrolling through your board to find the most recently updated items? Well, worry no more, because today I have an amazing feature to share with you. Get ready to supercharge your productivity with quick filters. Imagine having the power to instantly locate the most recently updated items on your board with just a few clicks. With quick filters, it's as easy as pie. Let me show you how it's done. Step 1. Open your board interface and locate the Quick Filters option, usually found at the top or sidebar of the screen. Click on it. Step 2. Look at all these customizable options. You can filter by labels, due dates, team members and more. But for now, let's focus on finding the most recently updated items. Choose the recently updated filter. Step 3. The board instantly updates, showing you the items that were recently modified. This way, you can quickly catch up on the latest changes without any hassle. Step 4. You can further customize your search by combining filters. Let's say you only want to see the recently updated items assigned to you. Select both the recently updated filter and the Only My Issues filter. Step 5. The board now displays only the tasks that were recently modified and assigned to you. It's like having a spotlight on the most important updates. And there you have it. With quick filters, you can effortlessly find the most recently updated items on your board, saving you time and keeping you in the loop. Say goodbye to scrolling endlessly and hello to staying up to date with ease. So, whether you're managing a project, collaborating with your team, or staying on top of your personal tasks, quick filters will be your secret weapon. Give it a try and let us know how it revolutionizes your workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting tips and tricks. Until next time, happy filtering!